Yeah, man. I love this plant. It's called a firecracker, but it's the only one in the garden, and I think it's seasonal. Wow, this plant grow perfectly round. It's like a round ball. But it's called a firecracker. I love it. It's so beautiful. Look at it. It's like some scientifical thing. Yes, it's real nice. It's real nice. Yep, look at it. Yeah, the firecracker. Let's see, that's the name of it. It is my first. It says grow once a year. It only bloom once a year. I know it's June. Yes, this must be a summer flower. A summer flower. Yeah. It only comes in the summertime once a year. They got them fine little yellow things on top. That's the fire. Right there. The fire is on there. Yep. Green and gold. Yeah, put that by the red, green, and gold and all that. Yeah, man. These are some different plants, but they ain't come yet. The flowers ain't come on them yet. Yeah, man. What this is a real firecracker, people. The viewers and subscribers. Yes, I'm highlighting this special plant today. Yeah, I hope you guys like it. Yeah, first time for me is this week. It just grew up in my garden. Yeah, that's it. A real firecracker plant. Alright? Yeah, hope you guys like it. So I'm highlighting today. Okay? That's the chamomile, that's it. This one is good for tea. Chamomile tea. I didn't know they use this to make chamomile tea. Yes, I drink it straight to sleep. Right there. The rabbit eat it, the goat eat it. All kind of animal eat that one. It's real good for you. For tea, you know. Yeah, soothe you, make you go sleep. But this one, it's just a flower. No tea with this one, but I like it. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful plant. Firecracker. It's hot. See those yellow things in there? That's the fire.